Hello and welcome to class of LTE. So today we are going to discuss about LTE voice solution. As we know that LTE is basically a data technology or 4G. But we require to have a proper voice solution for this fourth generation. That's why we have some solution for the voice. Now we have two solution for the voice, like we have first one is CSFV and next we have VoLTE. Now this CSFV stands for circuit switched fall back. This is circuit switch fallback, whereas this is voice over LTE. So before voice over LTE, because for voice over LTE, which is a IP call, we require to establish a new system here. We have circuit switched fallback. Now let's see that how circuit switch fallback call will occur. So as per like mobile station, we have or user equipments EUE. For example, this mobile station is attached to GRAN, which is GSM Edge Radio Access Network. This is attached to UTRAN, which is Universal Terrestrial Radio Access Network, and is a cell as Evolved Universal Terrestrial Radio Access Network. Now for data, like this is attached to MSC for voice. Similarly, this is also for voice 3G is MSC is working on, and for data we have SGSN. This is also passes to SGSN. Here in this case we have MME, which is mobility management equipment, and we have next for data we have serving gateway. These are attached to PDM. So we have a connection from MME to MSC. That means if a person is attempting a call, it will forward to MME and MME will redirect to MSC. That means you are falling back to the previous generations with the 3G. If 3G network is available, so switch from 4G to 3G. And like UTRAN cell is selected, that means now you are under 3G. And if there is no 3G connection, only 2G, so GRAN cell is selected, that means you are on a 2G network. So this is a process of circuit switch fallback. That means you have to fall back to the previous generation or previous cell so that you can have your call. Now the problem is circuit switch fallback, that time will be more. That means time for connection is more because you have to MME will switch your call from MSC and then redirect to the another person. And also chances of a connection, sometimes latency will be more. That's why we have to find out a proper solution for LTE, for voice. That's why we have voice over LTE. That means now we are going to launch voice on a LTE network. So for voice on a LTE network, which is a voice over IP call or voice over IP. So voice over LTE here we see. So suppose that this is Evolve user equipment. This is connected to EUTRAN cell. Now it is connected to Evolve packet core, and this is connected to your data centers. Whereas for voice over LTE, we require to launch a new network as IMS network in a system, which is IP multimedia system. So whenever we have a call, so it can switch to the IMS where it will be IP converted and then it can connect. So this is an IP multimedia system. Basically, it will convert our voice signal latch on an IP and then it can transfer where we want to connect it. So for a voice solution, for voice over LTE, there is a requirement that there should be IP multimedia system requirement. So this is a solution for 4G voice. Thank you so much.